There is this sense of impending doom to everything I do that won't go away. Nothing is particularly bad, but I feel like something is coming. Something bad. Something I saw once. Some stuff on a plate.
I'm 18 with no friends and a virgin. Subway.
Made Japanese beef gyudon. Every time I think I fall for someone, it always ends in me being rejected before it even turns into anything. Now I just soft reject myself whenever things feel too good and I can never not feel anxious about love. I'm unlovable in a romantic sense. Gyudon too salty.